Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your design system from Notion to Storybook, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current design system in Notion. Identify all components, styles, and guidelines that are documented. Next, organize your Notion pages for easy reference. Create a structure that mirrors the organization you want in Storybook. Now, open Storybook and set up your project. Ensure you have the necessary dependencies installed. Configure your project settings as per your design system requirements. Begin by transferring styles, such as color palettes and typography. Document each style in Storybook with comments explaining their usage. Next, focus on transferring UI components. For each component, create corresponding files in your Storybook project. Utilize the same naming conventions you used in Notion for consistency. As you migrate components, ensure they are reusable. Add props to your components to enhance functionality and flexibility. While transferring, keep your code clean and well commented. Create stories for each component to visualize them in different states. Use this opportunity to revise and improve your components. Once all components are migrated, review them in Storybook. Check for any discrepancies between Notion and Storybook. Make necessary adjustments to ensure everything is accurately represented. Next, document your design tokens in Storybook for easy access. Integrate any third-party libraries that enhance your design system. Finally, run a local server to test your Storybook setup. Conduct thorough testing of all components to ensure their functionality. Once everything is in order, prepare to share your new Storybook with your team. This guide ensures a smooth transition of your design system from Notion to Storybook. Enjoy the streamlined experience in your new environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.